Welcome to Technology Tuition. Today we're covering AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, the security foundation of AWS that controls who can access your resources and what actions they can perform. You'll understand why proper IAM configuration is critical for cloud security. IAM manages three types of identities: users with long-term credentials, groups to simplify permission management, and roles that grant temporary credentials to services or external identities. Security features include fine-grained permissions via JSON policies, multi-factor authentication, MFA, for an extra layer of protection, temporary security credentials from roles, cross-account access through role assumption, and policy conditions based on factors such as IP address or MFA usage. Advanced IAM capabilities include IAM Access Analyzer to detect unintended access, permission boundaries to limit maximum privileges, service control policies in AWS organizations for organization-wide guardrails, and IAM Identity Center, formerly AWS SSO, for centralized single sign-on across accounts and applications. Best practices are to follow the principle of least privilege, use roles instead of embedded access keys, enable MFA for all users, perform regular access reviews with Access Analyzer, avoid root account use for daily tasks, and monitor IAM activity with AWS CloudTrail. IAM integrates with every AWS service, from EC2 to S3 to Lambda, ensuring that identity and access configuration underpins a secure AWS deployment. This completes our series on the 5 most used AWS services. Subscribe to Technology Tuition for more cloud computing education.